All right, it's been 20 minutes. I lowered the oven down to 460, so a little bit less time and a little bit less heat. Just learning the oven. We'll see how this one looks. This one looks nice too. I'm gonna call this one done as well. So there you have it, bread fans. You know, two beautiful loaves of sourdough bread. You can see the decorative scoring on the side. Nice oven spring, good ear. You can see how much that bread is expanded. And now it's just a matter of letting them cool off. There's really not that much of a difference between the one that we laminated and the one that we didn't. I think these are two wonderful loaves of bread, and you know, I think everyone would enjoy eating them, and we're going to slice them open in about an hour and a half and see what they look like. I can guarantee you that they won't be around by Wednesday, and today's Sunday, so anyone who thinks you can't eat a lot of bread, I'll finish off half of one of these tonight, just showing it off to you. So let me let them cool, and then we'll take another look.